So I teach 9 through 12, mostly
What ages is that?
So it's about 13 to 18.
Okay.
Yeah, so like a good range, formative years. And about a year ago, they knew I was writing this book, and okay, that's kind of exciting. And Mr. Mayer, he likes Bitcoin, so if we ask him about Bitcoin, he'll just talk about it. And then if he talks about it for the whole period, then he's not going to give us homework because we didn't learn the stuff we were supposed to learn. So let's just ask him about Bitcoin. And those conversations were usually like, "How can I get rich?" Right? It's like a 15-year-old. How can I get rich with Bitcoin? And then slowly, gradually, I've tried to change the narrative. Like, this isn't about getting rich. It's about changing the world. It's about making the world a better place. And it's not about sort of like getting out of homework. They're actually asking like really good questions. I think I was with a student the other day, and he's just having really good questions about sort of monetary policy, and he understands on some level it's set by these people, and that seems comfortable. But like, what if it's this algorithm? He's just asking really deep questions about the process, and answered all of his questions. Tried to be as sort of neutral as possible. I can't really like sell Bitcoin to my kids, my students, but tried to just answer the questions as best that I could. And he just had this moment, he got quiet. This is like a 16-year-old, 17-year-old kid. And he's like, if what you're saying is true, this has massive implications for the world.
Oh, I love this kid.
And I was like, yes. And what I'm saying is true. Like, yeah. And he's like, and I mean like everything, So it's like this kids are making that kind of connection. Whereas like 12 months ago, it was like, how can I get out of math homework and how can I just get rich? Because that's all I care about. I just want to invest money, make more dollars, and then not have to work for it. And just slowly try to disabuse them of that notion. Like, this is not about making more US dollars. It's about changing what money is and using a new technology to make the world a better place. Those conversations have gotten a lot better with colleagues and with students.